everyone, it's Tori from Calypso Creative Planning and welcome back to my channel. In today's Plan With Me video, we're going to be taking a look at how I created this double daily spread in my undated customizable spiral planner in my shop. Let's take a look. So I've already pulled this double daily spread into where I need it to be. So I'm going to start pulling stickers from the Bloom full kit. She has a mini kit and a full kit from the Digital Siren. So I'm going to link that in the description so you don't miss out. But you may be used to this by now, but I have no idea where this spread's going. So I'm just pulling lots of fun things from this kit to go into this double daily spread. So I'm pulling the washi tape and some to-do lists, some different just box stickers, a little bit of everything. I'm going to grab the date stickers because those are too cute, and the days because it's an undated planner, so I'm looking to add those, and these are perfect. Lots of goodies in this kit. So much good stuff to use. So I'm also going to pull from this sticker kit from the Pink Ink. I love this kit because it has a paper sticker feel to it. Very scrapbook type of vibe going on. And once again, gonna link this in the description so you don't miss out. This kit's got some fun things, got some washi, some ink splotches like this, some different shapes, different paper textures, lots of good things to pull from. So I'm just going to start pulling a bunch of randomness from this kit as well. I haven't decided which paper texture, so I'm going to pull two, compare. Nope, going with the first one. More ink splotches because they're cute. And I grabbed some of these grids, but I don't really need those, so I'm going to take those out and move things around a bit. And now I'm going to pull from one of my sticker collections. This is the March 2020 sticker bundle from my shop. Very practical elements in this kit. Lots of good colors though. So I'm going to pull a few different ones that'll go really well with these floral stickers from the Digital Siren. They should complement both of these previous kits really well because they're light and spring-like with pinks and greens and beiges. It all goes well together, I think. So some of this I pull in, but then I don't really like. Some of it's better suited for white pages instead of black pages like the last box. So this is it, hopefully. I'm going to start moving things around, stretching this out. Instead of going with the standard elements that come with these double daily spreads, I'm going to use these paper stickers and stretch them out to cover up those sections so I can build my own sections. That just shows how versatile this planner spread is. You can still tweak it by adding different things to it, like more stickers. So I grabbed this square because it'll go really good with this border. This is from the Bloom kit. It's so cute. Gives me a nice place to add some notes to the spread. And then I'm going to start layering up some of these boxes and using the whole cut and paste trick to get things in the proper order. And there's so many good things here. I probably pulled in too many, but you can never have too many. You can always just move them around and get rid of the ones you don't need. But you know, play with them until you figure out what you want. Like this floral, super pretty. And this little to-do list will look great on the brown paper. But I'm also going to layer up this colorful box with it, because the pinks just go good together. And this Bloom sticker, perfect for the Bloom kit. I'm going to move this to the top and adjust these a little bit. And layer up some more boxes on this side, because I want each side of this double daily spread to have the same sort of vibe, but not be exactly the same, because then that's just boring. We don't want to be boring, we want to be fun. So 2 separate but similar layouts for this. It's all about the layering. And I'm going to shrink these down, move this out of the way a little bit, because I want to play with this fun washi tape. And I don't want it to go all the way across. So I'm going to crop it down so we just have one side of it. And being the perfectionist that I can be, taking a little bit of extra time to get it just the right size. And I'm going to layer it up, of course, with this cute little pink box that matches the other pink elements. And then I can copy these two to the different sections so they each have the same header, which is nice. Don't forget, I'll be linking everything you see here in the description below, so check that out. But I'm going to copy this little combo to the other side. And I don't know if you've noticed, but sometimes in GoodNotes, when you copy and paste something you've already used, it does change the size sometimes. I don't know why, it doesn't always do it, but sometimes it does. So I'm going to shift that around a little bit and then copy it to these other sections. And you can use these sections any way you like. You can divide it up between morning, afternoon, and evening, or you could divide it up between work and personal and just general. So many different ways you could use this. All right, so now I'm going to play around with dating the top of it, getting my little headers with the date and the day. So I'm going to use this little paper washi and this little circle sticker for the date, and then the names. The names of the days, I'm going to resize those, but don't forget to copy and paste so you get the layers correct. Super cute. And I'm going to do this for the other side so that it has a similar look. Move these guys out of the way. Layer things up correctly. Super cute. Love this. Okay, so now I'm going to pull in some of these other florals that I set aside and add a little more bloom element to the dates. I'm going to have them match because why not? And I don't need all of these, so I'm just going to pull out a few of the ones that I like. And I know I have a few things on these days that I want to make note of, so I'm going to give myself a little box. Nice and neat with my little floral. Position it just right. Straighten it up. Perfectionist. I want to apologize, but I'm really, sorry, not sorry. It happens. I like things a certain way. Alright, so florals on the other side. And this washi tape is going to be so cute. And like I said before, I want these sides to not match perfectly, but have a similar feel. So I've got some of the same sort of elements, even though they're not identical. And now it's just figuring out the last bits of what I do and do not want in this. I love this cute little banner. Super cute for a note on Sunday. And this little flower is cute and it matches the flower from this side, but I want it to kind of be a background. And then I can layer up another box on top for a note on that day to fill in that section. And get rid of some of these things I don't need. And this little gold button, it is so cute. It's like a little thumbtack button, and this is from the Pink Ink kit, and it just looks so cute. And once again, has that same sort of like scrapbook feel to this. And these little ink splotches, super cute. I'm going to use a few of these and put them in a few different locations. I I feel like they go really well with the color scheme for this. And they're just fun to play with. So, once again, the top, I don't want them to match, but I want them to feel similar. And that's it, you guys. I'm just going to add April 2020, and we are good to go. This is it. Everything's going to be linked down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.